win, lose or draw in the World Cup qualifying playoff games in March, who should the JFF choose going forward to coach the Reggae Boys? It's now apparent that the JFF is exhausted with the expensive foreign coach routine. So what if Speed delivers the goods and qualifies the team from the playoff? Who's going to convince Speed that he should not and cannot then coach the team at the World Cup and beyond? And in the event he does not get the job done in the playoffs, he obviously cannot continue. Now, Miguel Coley seems to be the logical choice and the favorite. But based on our history, my suspicion is that if Coley gets the job and the inevitable rough patches and bad results emerge, instinctively the cause will come for another imported savior in the form of another white foreigner, igniting another cycle of failure.